Alright, this is my 2010 4th of July fireworks stash, and yeah, so here we go. Okay, here we got some sorted Wolfpack rockets. They're pretty good. They're 30-ounce rockets, and there's 12 of them. Here we got some Mighty Mites mortar kit, which is like 1-inch shells to shoot up some stuff what they do on the side. Okay, then we got some sorted Roman candles, and they're all 10 shots, and there's 6 of them. See, you could just see if I can find one. Yeah, 10 shot, 10 ball right here. So that's Roman candles. Got some jumbo 12 jumbo wall rockets. Pretty good. I haven't shot any of these off before ever, so let's see what happens 4th of July. I'll probably make a video of it 4th of July, so got some fountains, pretty big, decent sized fountains, pretty big. So I've never gotten these before anyway, we can try them out. Then here we got another copper, well, this one's Copperhead, the other one was Mighty Mite, but these look a little bit better, I think so. We got a couple or 2 small caramel fountains from the dollar store. They're little cheapos, but they last pretty long. This is an old fountain from last year that I took apart, but it's just a fountain. It's not a rocket. It looks like a rocket, but it's not. It's just a fountain. Got some gyro spinners. They're like from the ground, they're ground bloomer things. Got a crackling ball left over from last year. So, and then this doesn't have anything to do with fireworks, but just glow sticks. Got a whole crap load of ladyfingers. They're all falling apart on me. Yeah, these are some that are just falling apart. They just came off. Then we got a ton of these things. Let's see if I can get them all out. Morning Glories. Got a ton of them. Let's just move on since I have so many of them, but got a whole bunch. More than like twice that or triple that. So, like a ton of those things. And just some poppers. Then got about 40 or 50 just regular bottle rockets, and they're howling. And that's sort of my fireworks stash for 2010. Got some other stuff in the box, but it's just that's this other bottle rockets and Morning Glories. Alright, that's my fireworks stash. Subscribe. Here it is again. I just didn't have everything out last time, but those are all the ball rockets left over. All the morning glories. And that's really it. So, there you go.